Alright, so a lot of my friends have really shitty sounding, well, they're not really shitty sounding mics, but they just don't get how to use Discord correctly. So I'm gonna make a quick video showing you guys how to make your Discord settings sound good. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to voice and video, and you can hear yourself, and you can mess with all the settings. And this is your mic. So first you want to select the correct mic. You don't want to do default because sometimes your computer might mess things up and revert settings. It's happened to me a few times. And then you can mess with your input volume. Uh, and then you could go down here, and if your mic really is super loud, you can put it down to 100 dB. But I don't think you really need to do that. I've tried it. It doesn't really change much. And then by default, Discord usually selects like a bunch of this stuff. Like noise suppression, you'll sound terrible. Um, you'll sound like a robot basically. And if your keyboard clanks and stuff, like if I hit it really hard, or on Discord, everything's just the background noise is just amplified for some reason. Um, you can click noise reduction. So I would recommend going here, and you might not have the same mic as me, so I wouldn't say copy my settings, but definitely play around with this. The only things that I wouldn't uncheck are the video codec, because that has nothing to do with your microphone, I don't think. And then uh, voice diagnostics, because it will tell you when something is wrong with your mic. So maybe you have like keybinds that you accidentally set that will um, mute your mic or something. I don't know. I wouldn't do that though. Um, if you want to turn on push to talk, that's a good idea too. For all you people out there with loud background noises. I won't name any names. But yeah, I would just recommend this is what I do. I do noise reduction, so my keyboard and my mouse or my controller doesn't clank when I use any of them. And then I keep this automatically determine input sensitivity. And that's pretty much all you can do in Discord. If you go to your settings on your computer, you could go to, I think, sound control panel, and then go to recording, click your microphone, click properties, and then you can listen to yourself while you do this, and you can mess with the levels here. It doesn't do much for my microphone. If you have a microphone that has a lot of power going into it, it's not going to really change much. And then uh, I would make sure that these are checked. Some people say not to check them, but I would check them off because then um, in systems like OBS or Discord, it will allow the application to change how your microphone sounds. So you can add noise cancellation and stuff because the regular Windows settings doesn't give you anything. If you do have an enhancements tab here, uh, I think some microphones do. I would recommend that you turn all of them off because they all sound terrible. That's pretty much all you can do to fix your microphone unless you download programs. That's up to you. I don't think that's necessary. Thanks for watching, bros, and good luck, and make sure to share this information to all of your friends that sound terrible. Peace out.